Supreme Court issues a mixed decision on challenges to 3 Kansas election laws passed in 2021. One makes it a crime to give the appearance of being an election official. Another tightens signature match requirements for mail-in ballots. And then a third bans people from returning more than 10 advance ballots for other voters. On the first, several organizations said it would make it harder for them to provide voter education or run registration drives. The Supreme Court says those organizations met their burden to show the law could violate the state constitution. It sent the issue back to a lower court to consider new factors in a temporary injunction. On the second, the court said the signature verification requirement is a valid effort by the legislature, but asked a lower court to consider whether it complies with constitutional guarantees of equal protection and due process. And then for the third, the justices agreed with a lower court decision dismissing the claim that ballot collection restrictions violate the Constitution, as the activity is not considered political speech or expressive conduct.